Okay, it is Friday, May 26th, and we are here in the background with Shawnee Slopes and Evergreen Estates, where we have finished delivering to both of them. Thank you once again, Joseph.
You're welcome.
What are you hearing at the doors?
Same thing I've been hearing at all the other communities. They're tired of Diane, they're tired of her tax and spend ways, and they want change. And when I drop the flyer off, they say, what's he like? I say he's the opposite of Diane, and they say, hey, I'll vote for you.
Okay.
Give me a sign, tell them to come visit me. So they're very receptive to this.
And I'm getting the same thing at the doors and on phone calls, and I want to say this, please, either on the survey, if you can just show them, please email, or we're picking up ones people are actually putting stamps on and putting it in the mail, and we're getting your feedback, and we deeply appreciate that, because I believe in representative democracy, and that means that the whole purpose of this survey is to get feedback. Now, I'll be honest, there are some conflicting things, like some people are asking about better snow removal, and almost everyone is saying don't raise taxes. So we're going to end up with some discussions over the summer on that. We'll have some town halls, because our taxes need to be respected, and there'll be specific things on that. But this is just a shout out once again. So we have finished delivering both Evergreen Estates and Shawnee Slopes. Thank you very much for your support. Please subscribe, please email, please share this with a friend.
And also donate to the Mark Deerholm campaign. The address is right here. So donate anything you can, because we need your help.
See, this is why Joseph's my focus man there. And Joseph, how many weeks until you are off to the armed forces?
About 3 weeks and I'm out of here.
Okay, so that is why he is such a work machine, and he is going to do our armed forces proud. Thanks again, Joseph.
Thank you.